Hey there, what's up? Today I'm going to be talking about how to build your own brand. So, what's a brand anyway? A brand is what identifies your business, so this can be your name, icon design, tagline, and personality. If done right, your brand will speak for itself. However, building your brand isn't just one and done. There are a few elements that go into creating a strong brand presence. If you want to know how you can start building a brand for your business, then keep on watching. In this video, I'll cover a few topics: how to think about your brand identity, how to design your own logo, and how to unify your brand image across your website, social accounts, and business cards. Now, when it comes to your brand identity, how do you want people to think about your business? For example, a watchmaker might be known for their well-crafted, modern design, a bakery for their excellent French pastries, and a shoe company for their elegant, high-quality leather. You can more easily define what your brand is all about by using brand words. These are the words you want associated with your business. This is also known as your brand values. When customers relate to the values you've chosen, they'll choose you over competitors, and that's because they feel emotionally connected to your brand. Choose the words you want associated with your business. They're important and should inform every decision you make with your brand, so write them down. Limit the number of words to 2 or 3 so that you can remain focused on them. And most importantly, make sure that whatever you do, whether it's a service or a product, that it's excellent. Now, if you're wondering how you can make your own logo even if you're not a designer, there is a way. Today, I'll use the Wix Logo Maker, which is a great way to create your own graphics for free. So let's say I have a grocery store called Ginger Market, and the words I've chosen to identify my brand are fresh, organic, produce. I want people to know they can always rely on my brand for healthy ingredients. Now that I have my brand words, I can use them to create my tagline. So this is a short sentence that tells people what your business does. If my brand words are fresh organic produce, my tagline could be selling the freshest organic produce. I recommend using a thesaurus to make each word in your tagline speak to the essence of your business. Instead of selling, you might say providing, and instead of fresh, you might say natural. Depending on what's most authentic for your brand, the words you choose should stay consistent across your online presence, so customers will find your brand reliable and trustworthy. Think about what category your business is in. How would people search for your business online? Since our example is an organic grocery store, I'll choose health food market, which is much more accurate than market or even just food market. Refer back to those brand words that describe you best. I'm thinking about the personality of my brand and the emotional connection I want people to make. In my example, I'll choose the words fresh, playful, and creative. This part is kind of fun because you get to choose what you like and don't like. I'm looking for something clean, bright, and approachable. Now, don't be afraid to dislike stuff. It's an important step in knowing what your brand is all about. Also, try and think about why you don't like that specific logo design, for example, the bright colors or large icons. This will help you better envision your end goal and how you want your logo to look. You want to use your logo across your website, business cards, and social media. This will help people recognize your brand everywhere. So, these are my initial logo designs. I can already see a few options that I like. This one has that bright and clean design I'm looking for. Colors play a huge part in creating an emotional connection with your brand. For example, red and orange show excitement, youthfulness, and even danger, while green is associated with nature, health, and growth. When it comes to your font, make sure it's readable and clear. You don't want your name to get lost. The weight of your font can also add to the personality of your brand. For example, a lighter font can look more whimsical, while a bold font shows stability and trust. Your icon is what people will definitely remember the most. Imagine it's your mark on the world. So look for something that's unique to your business. You can play with the placement of your icon and spacing, so your logo stands out in all the right ways. Decide what you want your logo to focus on. Some companies can be recognized by their icon alone. You'll want to use your new name, logo, and tagline on your website, products, business cards, and social accounts. This will unify your brand image and make it easy for customers to recognize your business everywhere. And that's how you start building your own brand. I hope this video was helpful and you're able to get your own brand up and running. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. To create your own logo, click here, or click the link in the description below. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.